Hello, it's Umar Racing. On this Sunday, you find me doing an oil change. Nothing crazy. I have my oil change set up here. So my 5W40 oil filter and a Liqui-Moly MoS Anti-Friction. Make sure the engine wears less. And I also use engine flush. So last time when I bought the car, it was used and the dealership put some, I guess, random oil. I think it's 0W40. Flushed oil, put new oil. I didn't use Liqui-Moly engine flush. For this season, I just want to, since I already put Liqui-Moly in there and then put the engine flush on top of it, it should kind of get rid of all the extra stuff in there. So right now I'm idling it for 10 minutes. So you're supposed to get the car up to temperature, the oil up to temperature. I did a couple of loops around the neighborhood. It's cold, it's like 32, 31 degrees, 40 degrees right now. So I didn't have too much time, so I got it to maybe like 160, 170, and now while it's idling, it's gonna go up a little bit higher. You put the engine flush when it gets to operating temperature, and then you just let it idle with the engine flush in there. Once it's done, 10 minutes passes. If your oil is really contaminated according to instructions, it can go up to 15 minutes. But my oil is like relatively new. I just have one track day, and it's just been sitting a lot, so yeah. So I just gonna do the 10 minutes, get it up on the ramps, and yeah, just drain the oil. I also have my Fumoto valve, so it should make it super easy to drain everything. So yeah, I am looking forward to this. This is part of the track maintenance I'm doing for 2024. Kind of just want to get it done quickly while my wife and my kids are not at home right now, so I just have some free time before I need to take care of stuff. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I got the car on the ramps right now, and it is snowing out there. What a beautiful time to do an oil change, right? So yeah, I got the 10 minutes passed, so shut the car off. Now I know the oil is going to be super hot, so just going to be careful. Luckily I have the valve, Fumoto valve. Every time I open the drain button, I always get some oil in my hands, plus the bolt rooster flies out. I also had the magnetic one, so that also makes it tricky. So yeah, I might shut the door. I got snow in my tires. Flew all the way here. So I'm going to close the garage door so I don't freeze my ass and get this started. All right, now I'm underneath the car. Here is the valve, and there's a place to kind of release the oil. This is the little valve that you kind of push, and then the oil will just kind of come flushing down. So there's a little locker in there that holds it. Oh shit. Something I don't want to drop in there. Hopefully I get the angle right. So let's see. Can always try. I have to push it the other way. And then it opens. There you go. Well, that was perfect. Nailed it. So here you go. Draining the oil. Do it so that it goes all the way to the edge there. That way it drips. Once it's finishing, it drips down. So I'm going to open the oil cap so it pours faster. So let's do that. Popping the oil cap. And here we go. Got a nice stream going on. We are at the end game here as far as the drain bolt here. So I am about to just close it. It's just dripping. It's close to being done. And after that, I'm going to take out the oil filter, which is somewhere over here. Should be easy. I changed it last time, hand tightened it. So hopefully it will just come right out. I didn't take out the under tray. I just put some shop towel here to catch any of the drips. Hopefully it should be pretty mess free. And then in the end, kind of drain it in there and then get the new oil filter, fill it with oil and put it back in. All right, the new clean engine oil filter is in there. All good to go. Now I'm gonna pour the oil in and we're done with this. All right, I've officially filled it up with everything with the Liqui-Moly 5W40. I pretty much used the whole thing. I think, it felt. I drained a good amount, so I had to use all of it. So yeah, it's, again, super easy on these cars, pretty much on any car. So yeah, I've been kind of like idling the car and checking the level. So far it's looking good. Just topped it off. Should be like kind of right under full. And yeah, I am just going to wrap this up. If you have any questions about any of this process or anything about the Elantra and Veloster, just shoot me a question. More than happy to help. Track season is starting soon, so stay tuned. Follow all my social channels on Instagram, Facebook, and most importantly, YouTube. We're going to be posting updates about the results of the track. I'm going to be doing SCCA Nationals time trial, so time trial nationals, and we'll see how I'll do in Tuner 3. There'll be higher competition, so I'm looking forward to that. Well, appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.